With Claude's Xero connector, you can now connect Xero with your Claude account, meaning that you can now understand your business's financials without needing to leave Claude. Simply chat to Claude to understand anything to do with your cash position, profit and loss, receivables, customers, and other financial positions and business performance. Basically, you can now interpret your Xero financials by chatting to AI. So today I'm going to briefly walk you through this full Claude plus Xero guide. Okay, so with that covered, let's go ahead and dive into Claude. Okay, so to get started with Claude, if you're completely new to Claude, simply jump over to your browser and type in claude.ai, or feel free to click on the first link in the description below this video, and that's going to take you to Claude. Now you can use Claude's free plan to manage your Xero accounting activities from inside of Claude with the Xero connector. So first things first, we need to connect Xero with Claude. To do that, navigate down to Settings, locate Settings, and then Connectors under Customize. And down here, you'll notice other third-party tools that we've connected with Claude, meaning we can do things like design content, send emails, book events, manage our Google Drive, send Slack messages, and manage our Shopify store. There are many things that you can do inside of Claude with third-party connectors. If you're interested in diving into my top 7 connectors for Claude, I will add the relevant video down below in the description for you to check out following this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect Xero. Navigate up to Add, Browse Connectors, type in Xero, and locate the Xero connector. Navigate over to Connect, and now we need to grant access to our Xero account. Simply log into Xero. Then once you've given access, you'll be redirected to Claude. And just like that, we've connected Xero with Claude. Now go ahead and open up a new Claude chat. Now, what I love about the Claude and Xero connector is that you can securely bring your accounting and financial data directly inside your Claude chat. Basically, you can have a simple conversation with Claude to understand your numbers. Think about what you want to analyze in your business. Claude is going to connect with Xero and provide you with financial information that you're after. For example, provide a summary of all expenses last month and identify the largest expense. It could be a simple prompt like this. Now, if you have many integrations with your Claude account, it can be handy to add some kind of identifier like this. This shows that I want to use the Xero connector. Okay, let's generate a response. Now you can see that Claude wants to get the profit and loss from Xero. What we can do is come down and click on Always Allow or Allow Once. And you can see a profit and loss snapshot has been generated here. This is between March and April. Now, if we navigate down, we can see a summary of expenses in April for 2026. And this is based on the connected Xero account with Claude. If we navigate over to total expenses, we can see our total expense as well as our largest expense category, which was 59% of my total expenses. We can see a breakdown down here and important insights for me to consider. This expense grew 20% compared to the prior period. So this is something I want to keep an eye on. And the second largest expense was contractors. Now let's jump down here and add another prompt. I want to understand my business performance over the last 12 months. Are we underperforming or overperforming compared to the last 12-month period? So I added, give me an overview of business performance over the last 12 months compared to the previous period. Point out any key reasons or indicators for the change of performance. So I want Claude to analyze and pinpoint issues or positive actions that resulted in the change of performance. Okay, let's hit enter. Hey guys, just quickly, did you know that over 90% of you that enjoy our free educational content have not yet subscribed? It would mean a lot to me if you drop a comment or hit subscribe if you love what I'm creating. This helps us grow the channel and motivates me to create bigger and more impactful tutorials for you to consume for free. Okay, so with that happy note, thank you in advance, and let's get back to the video. Again, we have a snapshot of our profit and loss statement for this 12-month period comparison. If we navigate down, we have a full business performance overview, and we can see all the important metrics when it comes to total income, total expenses, and net profit, comparing the requested period I added. Here we can see key indicators and reasons for change. For example, consulting and accounting costs were reduced by 74%, our subscriptions halved by over 50%, and then we can see our net profit is up 28.6% despite slightly lower revenue. As you can see, these are helpful insights that I can use for my strategy moving forward. If we navigate down further, and we can see a nice summary down here. And this is just a small example. I'm barely scratching the surface when it comes to the possibilities of the Xero integration with Claude. Not only can you understand and analyze your different financial activities, you can also leverage AI to help you optimize your business. This is through key insights that you can generate with Claude. In my opinion, this is a game changer for small businesses. Okay, so before we finish up, what are some other helpful things that you can do with the Claude and Xero connector? You can generate your profit and loss statement over a given period and compare this against a different period. You can understand your financial position with a balance sheet generation, as well as understand your cash position with a summary of your cash inside the organization. You can generate a receivables snapshot, how much you're owed in total, how overdue it is, plus your contacts. You can identify your top customers based on lifetime revenue, and many more other financial activities. Again, if you want to dive deeper into other powerful and popular Claude connectors, I will add a video up above that covers my top 7 Claude connectors for small businesses. Feel free to check out that video, I will link it down below. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this brief Xero connector guide for Claude. Now, if you have any questions about this tutorial, pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.